What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use a REPT function, and what it does is essentially it will repeat a phrase, a cell, numbers, whatever you want, and you can do it as many times as you need. So, for example, I can write out fresh fish, use the number 125, and for this function, you just go ahead and do equals REPT tab. The text being, I'm just going to select this cell. Number of times, let's make it 10. Enter. And you see it writes fresh fish 10 times, and it's all concatenated. And I could do the same thing. I'll actually go ahead and I'll just drag this down. And you see it repeats 125. It keeps going and going. I can also do it I can write it directly into the formula. So REPT. And if I do flour, and then I do maybe star, and then I do fish, and then I do salad, comma, let's write that out 5 times. And, oh, look at that. Oh, so what I did here is that you can't just write it in. You actually have to use quotation marks when you write words, right? And boom, Bob's your uncle. All right, guys, this was short and straight to the point. Hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.